Hello friends, Namaste. I am Nihal and I am Anika. Today we need for a cereal chart is cereal, nicely chopped onions, tomatoes, lettuce, groundnuts, pepper, lime juice, salt, and cucumber. And let's start. Cereal. Nicely chopped onions. Tomatoes. Lime juice. And cream. Mix it well.